Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to make money online in Nigeria, specifically how to make 3,000 naira online in Nigeria, or even more than that in Nigeria. Okay, so please, if you're new here to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Please give this video a thumbs up, give this video a like button so that you can tell YouTube that this video is a good video and let YouTube push out this video to other viewers. Please, if you have done this, thank you, and let's get into this video. Okay guys, if you haven't seen my camera well, or you think I should make amendments with my camera and editing, please let me know down there in the comment section. I really want to make amendments. Thanks. So let's get into. So this is a website, and this website have been on for years. Not that I'm being paid to come and talk about this website, but I have been on this website for quite some time. Okay, so I'll be leaving the link to the registration box. I'll be leaving the link to the registration to this Naira Workers down there in the description box. To register for Naira Workers is literally free. You're not going to pay any money. What you just need is your email, your password, and your phone number. Now, once you have been registered, it's gonna bring you up to something like this. This is a new account I just opened, and as you can see, my balance is 00 naira. I made this account as a new account so that I can teach you guys about Naira Workers and how everything looks once you just register newly. So once you register newly, this is what you're going to be seeing. It's going to be bringing you up to this part where it says verify your email. So once you verify your email, I'm not going to be verifying my email because I have another account on Naira Workers. I just opened this account so that I can teach you and show you how. Now, once you have verified your email, it's going to bring you to other opportunity for other jobs, and then your balance will be showing in this other corner. Your balance, the number of jobs you have completed, your pending balance, your pending task, and your job post and referrals. Everything will be showing right in this dashboard corner. Okay, so let's get into the video mainly. Okay, so once you register, you're gonna see something like this. You're gonna see this up button right here. You're gonna click on that button. Okay, so once I click on that button, it's going to bring me up to somewhere like this. Now this dashboard is showing you your earnings. This profile is showing you your profile in case you want to make amendments to your profile. Maybe you want to change your name, your email, your password. That's what that profile is here about. Then its available jobs are jobs which are available for you to perform. While this wallet is money which is maybe pending or to be paid to your wallet. Then if you want to see your account status, how well your account status is doing, you click on that purchases account. Then maybe if you want to post a job, then click on this part where it says post a job. So we are looking for how to make money online, so you're going to be clicking on available jobs. So once I click on available jobs, it's going to bring me up to a variety of jobs to perform in order to earn money online. Please subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed. Give this video a thumbs up. Is my display going well? Please leave it down there in the comment section. Okay, as you can see these are available jobs right now. Now I want to show you guys a hack. Though I've made many videos about Naira Workers, but I haven't mentioned this in because maybe this is a new feature. As you can see here, it is showing most recent, while here is showing highest pin. Now this most recent is the one which has just been uploaded maybe today or yesterday or day before yesterday, and many people haven't performed it. Now in order for us to reach this 3,000 naira easily, what we are going to go for these high paying jobs. So once I click on this high paying job, it's going to bring me up to the ones which are highly paid. I think they should be about 500 naira, 200 naira, 300 naira compared to all these ones that they are paying 7.20 naira, 40 naira, and so on. So let us click on it and see what's going to bring to us. So as you can see, wow, are you guys seeing what I'm saying? Okay, so as you can see, this one is paying 519 naira, while this one is paying 519 naira too. There are a whole lot of jobs here to perform. So what I just want you to do is to click on my referral link down to this website. Once you click on it, it's going to bring you up to the portion whereby you're going to register. And once you register, just come and start filling all this thing. As you can see, this one is not completed. Just come here and start stealing these stars them. Yeah, I mean steal them down to your wallet so that you can withdraw. The minimum withdrawal is 1,919 naira. As I finish this video right now, I'm going to even start performing these ones so that I can earn some extra cash. I hope this video was helpful and quite educative. Please subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.